Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. If you're here with me in the Discord chat or on YouTube, go ahead and say what's up this morning. Let's see who's with us. We have, oh my goodness gracious, we have a lot of folks in here. We have SW, Spastric, Amateur Genius, Cyrus, Julius, Mark, V, Luna, WD, Sadek, HD, Vibe Trade Channel, Futures Trade Today, Ratberg, A-Trades, Angus, Bird, J, Raymond, Big Sky, good morning to you. Welcome, Bob. Good morning, Anita Lowe. Good morning, Mark Hammond, P. Balders, Bradley Sendit, National, Damn Rock, come on. Good morning, Paul. Yorkshire, good morning, Arthur, RJ, Richard, Sean, Jaco, AV, Jinx, RC, Marco, G-Lines, Jim's S, Lenny, John, Richard, Worthless Man, Jackie, Alexandre, Ashton, good morning. Hey, Jessica, Francine, Mark O, DC, Lamine, John B. Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing out there? It is Tuesday. Yeah, all day today. Yeah, Tuesday. And we don't really have a lot of news that's going to be coming out that's going to move the market today. We did have some banks that reported earlier today and have currently reported some decent results. Nothing really to shake a stick at there, but we do have a couple different things that are happening today. Good morning, Gary. We do have the Canadian CPI that's going to be coming out for June, the June CPI read for Canada. Good morning, Curran Dula, Melissa, the family Griffin. Good morning, Dips, Trade Together. So we do have the Consumer Price Index, CPI, coming out for Canada. That's going to be out at 8:30. Now, alongside that, we do have some U.S. data. Good morning, Darren, Lieutenant Hoosie, Jesus Power. Good morning, Gary Kofifi. We do have some U.S. data that's going to be coming out. It is the advanced retail sales for June. That's going to be the big ticket item at 8:30 alongside that Canadian CPI. We also do have the New York Fed Services business activity coming out for July. That's all coming out at 8:30. Morning, Sarah Lucas. How you doing? That's all going to be out at 8:30. And that's really it in the way of news today. We are going to hear from Adriana Kugler, who is a voting member of the Fed, who is going to be speaking at 2:45 p.m. today. 2:45 p.m. today. And I don't really expect what she's going to say to move the market all that much, given that we did have Jerome Powell yesterday. So today could be a very docile and sleepy day. I'm probably going to wait for the next 27 minutes to trade here until that 8:30 data comes out. We are potentially breaking out here. S&Ps are looking to break out as well. We are at this inflection point in the market right here and now. We have seen a lot of stronger offers up in this area. We go over to our chart here. We have seen a lot of stronger offers kind of showing up in the tape right here. So if we do actually break above that, I could see the market going much higher from here. Equities are kind of at an inflection point too. If we're looking at Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and Meta, they're all sort of at an inflection point. So if we did break above this area, it could go much higher. So if those offers can actually get bought through, we could see potentially a squeeze above that. But until that is broken above, we will continue to kind of ping pong around here. It is very low liquidity this morning. Equities are pretty much dead when we're looking at the NASDAQ equities right now. Rips, I need your help. I got yesterday my second payout. Congratulations to you. What is your question? I understand how the system works. So just ask your question and I'll be happy to answer it. You don't have to copy paste all that nonsense. Just go ahead and ask your question. KG Data says, good morning. Hey, KG Data. Good morning. Hey, Mark O. Caught D's London Open show. Good stuff. Love her technical analysis. She has a great process. Indeed, she does. Silent NW Part 2. Good morning. Morning, Hoop. What's up? Good morning, Daniel. Fun, Tasty John. So yeah, it's gonna be a very slow morning if we don't have this breakout here. Does this mean I'll get another new combine account or what? No. So if you paid for your combine account, if you paid $49 last month and you pass it and then you take your first payout, you get that $49 refunded on your credit card. But that's only for your first payout. And it's on each and every single combine that you're taking a payout on that is now an XFA. So if I have combine A and combine B, paid $149 for them on month one, I pass them, pay $149 for the XFA for both of them, combine A, combine B. Take a payout from combine A, take a payout from combine B. That $149 that I paid when they were combines gets refunded back to my credit card. Simple as that. Yeah, they are getting rid of that at the end of the month. So, but yeah, that's all there is to it. There's no free combine or anything like that. It's just whatever that is coming back. But yeah, that rule is done at the end of July. Not your activation, your whatever you paid for your monthly combine fee. There you go. Hopefully that cleared things up. I mean, it's pretty simple to understand. Whatever you paid for your last month that you had a combine, that you paid in your combine fee, that gets refunded to your credit card. That's it. That's all there is to it. Really doesn't get less confusing than that. Yeah, they're removing it July 31st because they're going to be allowing banking of resets there. Instead of the combine refund, they're banking resets. Yeah, exactly right. I noticed you cannot have the mobile app and desktop open simultaneously. It's probably for TopStep X, I'm assuming. Good morning, Slothfather. So what they're going to allow now is that every single time that you have a potential reset, they're going to allow you to bank that reset instead. So you'll have, we'll see how it works. I'm just making assumptions here. Now we are seeing equities light up a little bit here. Again, they are trying to break above this 635 level. Having a little bit of trouble here. We do have some liquidity that is comfortable around 650 that we could be entertaining here, but we could also see a harsh rejection up at that level. Good morning, Cabo. Good morning, Les Grossman. Really enjoyed your performance in Tropic Thunder. TopStep has an app? Nope, there's no app. There's just, it's a web page, but it's a web-based app, you know, if you want to call it an app. Let's go ahead and take a long here, looking for this breakout trade. We're going to take a long in the NQ here. Looking for this breakout. Move my stop down there. I want to add into that, say at 625 or so, if we do pull back. Hey, Rips, with banking resets, do you think they think that would go for resets I have already for future stuff? I have one I need to use by tomorrow. No. If you have to use it by tomorrow, no. You won't be able to make it. The rule change is going to be on August 1st. NQ is rough to trade of late. Yeah, it's very thin right now, and I do believe that we're seeing a rotation out of tech into value names. So any value stocks that are kind of compressed right now, probably a good idea to add to the long-term portfolio if you have one. Rips TopStep X has an app. News to me. I had no idea. Where can I get this app? That's brand new to me. Where do I download it? No way. Hey, Nick for a tick. What's up, buddy? Nice setup there. That is brand new to me. TopStep X. Oh, you're trolling me. You got me good there, Julius. You got me good. Good troll. Oh, boy. You win. Not really sure about that one, but okay. Is it good to trade gold these days as is on the way to the moon? Yeah. I mean, there's no problem in that. All right, we got a preview on the platform here. Yeah, I am going to be on Fast Markets today. You know it's going to be a great day when your own members are trolling you for no reason, for whatever reason that is. Don't really get it, but okay. All right. You win. On Android? Is it on Android? Does anybody know this? Anybody use Android? There's probably 3 of you that are watching that use Android. I only know of a mobile version. I don't know of a... Do they still make Androids? I'm on Android, no app. It's not an app. No app on Android. Okay. Yeah, I only know of a web-based version, so maybe you're making like a web clip or something. I don't know. I'm one of the 3 in no app. All right, Julius, you're going to have to explain yourself now. It's a web app, not in the App Store. Yeah, that's all I've known. Everybody's confirming there's no Android app. Explain yourself now, Julius. What's the deal? Trying to troll everybody. All right, 627 is where we're trading. Adding again here. Looking for this push back up. I don't know. Combine discount soon. Yeah, there should be one coming out here soon. We're going to have a coupon code and everything. On Google, it comes up as an install app next to the toolbar. It shows like an icon, but it's run through Google Chrome. Okay. Yeah, that's what I figured. It's like a the web-based app thing. It's not an actual official app that you get from the Google Play Store. Yeah, it's a home screen bookmark. Exactly right. It's certainly not an app. Yeah, it's just a shortcut to the website. Certainly not an app. Web page that is mobile friendly. That's right. Yeah. There was plans to do an app, but Michael Patak has said multiple times that is not happening right now. All right, let's see if we can get into these 50s. That's what I'd really like to see from this trade here. I'd like to see a push up into the 50s. We have rejected multiple times down there. We've added onto those rejections. We are showing potential breakout here to the top side. We're seeing the S&Ps as well. So I'd really like to see this thing start to push up. Watching here to see if we can actually take out this liquidity that is resting a little bit higher. Just kind of playing some ping pong up here. Would really like to see this start to really pick up above 35 here. And see a breakout of that 36 level. Kind of what I'm watching for here. I do like these bottoming tails. All right, folks, as this trade is playing out, do me a favor here. Go ahead and hit that lucky like button. Let's see if we can get up to 500 likes nice and easy. We'll run a poll at 500 likes, as we always do. See if we can pick up some more contracts down here. Canadian housing starts are out. We're going to get some U.S. housing data as well as the Canadian CPI coming out here soon as well. Very, very thin market here. Seeing a potential pushback up into that 35 level. That's what I'd really like to see. I'd like to really peel a little bit of this position into this 35. See if anybody wants this liquidity at 35 first. Just kind of barcoding in between 28 and 33 right now, a little 5-handle range. Still cannot get through these offers. There's a significant offer stack. At least with this low liquidity, I'll call it significant. A little bit of an offer stack, basically from 33 up to 38. We just need to have some buyers pushing into that and leaning into that for us. Yeah, if you do tune in early, if you are in the first 10 minutes, it's usually when I go over the schedule for the day. I see a lot of folks are saying news in 15 minutes. Yeah, we discussed that already, top of the call. Seeing a little bit of a bid stack showing up here. But again, still nothing pushing us higher. Very, very thin liquidity. We're looking for one little pushback up into that resting liquidity at 35. Kind of what we're aiming for here. So I'm looking for any kind of bid stack that I can use as a backstop to dump more contracts into here. Right now there's an offer that is getting chased down. So until we exchange that liquidity, we're not going to push back up. So waiting for that exchange to finish up here. Right now, resting liquidity has moved to the 30s. Going to add into that. I think we will swipe that resting liquidity at 30 here. All right, we tagged it. Let's see if we have follow through now. So we took out that resting liquidity at 30. It was 14 contracts exchanged there. Now looking for that to be swiped again. Going back to this point of control here that we have right around 626. So this is where we should see some bids start to firm up here. And we get a repop right back above those 30s here. Again, these are like single lots, 1, 2, and 3 lots being traded here. Nothing too crazy. Very, very low liquidity. Watch them at this pop back above 30 now. See if we can get through this resting liquidity that's been holding back at those 30s. There's a little bit of a bid stack starting at 26 down to 23 there. Does go down to 20 as well. So we have that to use as well. We are still having trouble breaking through. Same thing with the S&Ps. We're looking for that breakout trade above 93. So looking for a potential add down here. Same liquidity player has moved from 30 to 28. So just watching that now. A little bit of a front run there into that 28. So again, they took that liquidity, but we're not pushing through it yet. Let's see if we can get up to 500 likes before that news drops in 10 minutes here. Gonna add right there. Nice fill. Very nice. Looking to dump this out at 35 here. A little front running into that 35 area. See if we can get this breakout to continue now into that 35 push. Somebody took that 34 lick, started to slam back into it a little bit there. A little bit concerning. I'm going to put half on the 34 right there, 34 evens. Actually go down to 33 and a quarter, 33 and 3/4. Filled half. Put another one lot there. Should tick and fill that. Fill that one there. Actually going to pull out one more here. And we'll leave one as a runner there. Break even. So just a little pitch and catch this morning. Nothing too crazy. Just watching the order flow as we usually do. Celsius is having Amazon Prime Day deals. Nice. Very nice. That's awesome. Nice call. Ribs made 340 on that long first trade of the day. Very, very nice. Hey, good morning, Skylar. How are you? Hey, Ribs, I watched the time sales. Interested to know what threshold you might have to color the number of contracts traded. So I use shades of red and shades of blue. You can use green. I like blue and red, but I'm using shades. So like the hotter the red color, the more contracts you're getting. And above bid, below bid, above ask, below ask, mid, they're all different colors. Anything really. I mean, I'm more about above bid, below bid. That's what I'm looking at, right? When you're looking at the point of control, I'm using this. This is the point of control I'm looking at, my viewport point of control. I'm looking at the liquidity basically from yesterday's sell-off until today. That's what I'm looking at. Got some up 180 bucks. There you go. Celsius stock has been getting hit hard lately. Why is there people selling Celsius? That's crazy to me. What a terrible idea. All right, we have right now 334 likes. We are about 6 minutes from the news here. If we can get that pumped up, we could do a poll before the news. It'd be great. We are still running one contract in this trade. Michelle asks, hi, Rips, do you teach how to read Bookmap? We do have a webinar. If you want to see the webinars that we have available, here's a list of the webinars that we have. I go through basically like a morning of trade and Bookmap. We are going to be having some more Bookmap webinars. When time permits, I want to have kind of a 8 to 10 series webinar on that. And we're going to be doing some webinars with the actual official Bookmap team. But there you go. If you want to see the webinars that are available, you get full access to everything during your 7-day trial. So if you want to just come in for 7 days and binge watch all of the webinars, you're more than welcome to. So that's those were our exits on that. We had some nice dip buys down here, and we started to peel out most of the position right there. And this is why I get this question all the time. Why do you trade on the 30-second chart? I don't actually trade on it. This is just so you can see each and every single one of my executions that I have there, so that you can learn from that, learn from what I'm seeing, talking through the entire trade, start to finish. What is that indicator called on TradingView? This right here is the VRVP. Bring this up for you. VRVP, Visible Range Volume Profile. That's what that stands for. If you want to go back and pause the video on YouTube, you can see my settings. That's what I use for. Are your volume balls partial colors? Where is that setting? Mine are all red or green. Yeah, I get what you're saying. There's a volume dot setting that you can have instead of doing the delta of the volume. You can use the pie chart version. More in discount. Yeah, almost 20K followers. If you are not subbed already, it's free to subscribe to the YouTube channel. We are very close to hitting 20,000 subs, growing rapidly here. Do we need data level 2 for that indicator? Not thinking so. TradingView is very, very cheap as far as data goes. I think I pay $7 a month for futures data, maybe $9 a month. One reps, are there any algo traders in the Clubhouse? I'm not sure. MC people in Discord, are any of you algo traders? Do I think this will be a big print? Well, we have a triple threat print, which means we have 3 decent news items coming out here. Order book is very vacant right now. It's very empty. But we do have the Canadian June CPI, the New York Fed Services activity, and the retail sales. So that's all coming out here. Recently changed my strategy, and 8 of my last 10 days have been winners. If I can keep this up, I'll be passing my combine in no time. Nice work there, Mason. It's good to be modifying your strategy, but when you get a strategy that works, stick with it. Don't modify it any further. Keep doing it, even if you have losing days. No such thing as trading without losing days. Doesn't exist. I've had very long streaks of winning days, but it's difficult to have a strategy that only has winning days. Doesn't exactly work. Hey, Rips, I've been thinking of starting Almost had a sneeze there. Hey, Rips, I've been thinking of studying algo trading. It's related to my current job, and I enjoy programming in econometrics. That's a new word for me. Econometrics. Is that a word? That's a new one for me. Econometrics. Wow. Never heard that one before. How cool is that? Economic statistics and mathematics. Econometrics. How cool is that? New word for me. Word of the day. Any thoughts on algo trading in general? Would you do it too? Well, I'll tell you what. The most wealthy funds in the world are all practically almost exclusively algorithmically trading. There you go. I use it in my job. Inbox me, says Ronnie. There you go. Woke up early to trade a bit with you before my 16-hour shift on this fire today. Oh, God bless you. Got my first 2-day combine pass yesterday. I've had so many 3-day passes. It's possible for 2-day, but dang, that is difficult to get in those commissions and not get over that 50%. Yeah, I tell you what, my average passing time for a 150K combine is 9 days. 9 days. Yep, I am in a position. I do have a stop right at break even. We're going to see if we can run one final lot here in the news. Yeah, my average pass time is 9 days. I never try to rush it. Econometrics. I'm saying it's not econometrics. 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 Cool. The strategy always has winning days. You don't. The strategy always has winning days. You don't. When you lose, it's because you read the market wrong or applied your strategy incorrectly. Your strategy looks at you and says, it's not me, it's you. Do I use a profit goal each day? No, I do not. I trade usually until I have mental exhaustion, which sometimes comes sooner than later on some days. All right, let's see if this is a very close stop, so the chances are that we're going to get swept out. I'm seeing how empty this order book is. I fully expect that we're going to get stopped out right on this print, unless it goes straight up. I fully expect to get stopped out on this final contract. Order book is empty. So here we go. 10 seconds, folks. Fully expect to get stopped out here. And there you go. Good thing we use this stop, isn't it? This is why you want to use stops in your trading. So Canadian CPI is negative 0.1%, which is 2 basis points lower. New York Fed Services business activity, 2 basis points hotter at negative 4.5. June import price index at 0.0%, 20 basis points hotter. And coming higher here. So stopped out and the price is coming in higher. So it's hitting both sides. No slippage at all. I actually got out right at my stop. You can see right there. No slippage at all. It actually moved quite slow into my stop. It ticked my stop before that grandiose move. So no slippage at all. That was a combine crusher for someone or a combine passer. So that puts us up on the day. Now that we are all closed out, we are flat. We are up $1,495.60 on that initial chopping range there. We are coming a little bit higher, but I think that the price needs to settle a little bit here. Equities are showing some bid, but we are still seeing Microsoft and Meta a little bit weak here, so that's going to keep me out of this trade. How many past accounts do you have at one time? You can have as many as you want. If you have less than 5 active XFAs, there's a 30-day clock that starts counting on those. So you want to have 5 active XFAs. Very fortunate in slippage, bro. I went short and micro got $40. Nice work there, Scott. I still don't trust this still alongside myself. We are seeing NVIDIA starting to push up. There's the S&P breakout a little bit here. Let's go over to the S&P. This is your S&P right here. Trying to break out of this range. I would say that if we break out above 5,700, the S&P can light up. Remember, we're probably going to see some divergence today between the NQ and the S&P, simply because we're seeing a rotation into value stocks. And there's more value stocks in the S&P than there are in the NAS, obviously. Also the Dow. Can you show how to check NQ news? Yep, there's a free resource that I recommend out there. Trading Economics Calendar, right there. I'll give you all of the news and give you a nice little write-up on what to expect. NQ still getting stuffed here up at these 40s to 45s. So if you have past combines, you have to convert them to XFAs within 30 days or you lose them now. That's always been the rule. You have 30 days to activate an XFA. Now, the new rule, which is amazing, if you have 5 active XFAs, there is no countdown clock on your other past combines. Amazing rule. Means you can bank as many past combines as you wish. But there's always been a 30-day timer on XFAs if you're not paying for them. But it's one lifetime fee. There's no monthly fee. 0 monthly fee. So pay for it and just trade it once every 30 days. You can do that by flipping a micro. Yeah, if you have the max number of XFAs. I mean, listen. So if you have 20 past combines and only one live XFA, those 20 past combines are going to have a 30-day clock on them. But if you have 5 past combines that you've taken to XFAs, you have 5 active XFAs and 15 past combines. Those 15 past combines are just going to sit there with no clock on them. And they will sit there indefinitely until you blow an XFA and you can bring in a combine off the bench. Can't see NQ on that site. Well, there is no, that's not how it works. There's no specific news for the NQ. It's not how that works. Hey, Rips, so how many XFAs would you say you lost since your start with TopStep? Maybe 20, 25, somewhere in that range. Do they charge you monthly for those past ones that are sitting on the bench? Nope. Not at all. Not at all. Yeah, there is a 30-day clock. So if you're trading your XFAs and you take a break, you do have to flip one micro contract every 30 days. So that means that you log into your XFA that you haven't traded. You buy a micro, you sell a micro, like that. Just like that. Buy a micro, sell a micro. Just like that. I have 1 XFA and 4 past combines. Currently was waiting to build up the first one and then add another one, so on. Just pay for the other 4 and just let them sit there. There's no harm in that. Just like I said, you flip a micro every 30 days and you're fine. For every 10 questions Rips answers for TopStep, they need to give him free combines. You know, everybody thinks I get free combines for some reason. I've never had a free combine from TopStep. Never won a free combine. I get to give away combines, but I don't get any free lunch. There's no free lunch for Rips. Need to take a payout on this one and pay for them. Thanks. Yeah, there you go. Losing combines doesn't mean much, seeing most people are willing to risk way more aggressively than they would with an XFA. It's all dependent, you know. We went over this yesterday. I was talking about if $49 is a lot of money to you, then probably shouldn't be trading. It's all relative. Everybody's different, right? Just because you can have 5 XFAs doesn't mean you need 5 XFAs. A lot of people try to copy trade and lose all 5 of them, and you know it's a disaster. You don't need to do that. Trade 1 XFA at a time. There's no rhyme or reason to do. It's your world. You can do whatever you want, right? Do anything you want. Rips, are you looking for a liquidity sweep, then a break of structure, creating a fair value gap, then hoping for a rally? Well, right now I'm waiting for the price kind of to settle. I'm going to be on TopStep TV this morning. So I'm just waiting here for the price to settle. I would like to do a poll. We just need to get to 500 likes. We have 1,400 people watching. If we get up to 1,100 likes before we get on TopStep TV, I'm going to give away a free combine because that's just what I do. Still surprised they give you access to the full buying power in a combine. I figured that's why they would have you scale in. They have you do the scaling plan on XFAs. How often do you recommend taking withdrawals? I'm from the school of thought that you should be taking a payout every couple weeks or so. That's every 10 trading days. Because then you're not going to put on the pressure for yourself. Because it's every 5 winning days of $200 or more. That should be about every 2.5 weeks. When you would expect a call or video meeting with TopStep Risk Manager as a trader for them? No idea. They're going to email you. Hey, Rips, had an XFA get to with $5 of closing. I have saved it recently, getting close to doing my first payout soon. Nice. Let's go. How many days are too slow and too fast to pass a combine? For me, it takes more than 30 days to pass a combine. Is that super slow? No. On average, it's 9 days for me, but I'm hosting a trading show. I'm trading every single morning here, so that's my average. If you're in a hot market cycle, you could pass in 2 days. 3 days, 4 days. If you're in a slow market cycle, it can take you a month. There's no right way or wrong way. It's your way. Right? So it's, if I was to tell you, you know, oh, you should be passing in under 10 days and you try to do that and you're failing at that, what does that do for you? That gives you no value. Right? Risk will only talk to you if you're on a live account. Otherwise, what would they talk to you about? Yeah, no, I mean, Risk, yeah, they're not going to talk to you. I mean, every time I talk to Risk, it's all about, last time I talked to them, they were talking about whether or not I was going to be trading my live account because they told me that I hadn't traded it in a hot minute. It was like a couple months ago, and then I traded it a little bit more. But that was the last conversation I had with Risk. The conversation prior to that was me lowering the amount of lots that I could take on that live account and increasing my daily loss limit. That was the last conversation I had with Risk. That's something exclusive that you could do on a live account that you can't do on other accounts. What's your opinion on minimum balance before you would take your first payout? If it's your very first payout, you should take it no matter what. Make it real. Because I've seen too many people that their mindset shifts, meaning that you build up a balance and you should be taking a payout, and then you say, oh, well, I have this healthy balance, I'm going to keep going. And then they blow their account and they never got a payout. Don't do that. Don't be that person. When you first passed a combine, did you stick with your XFA for months? How many XFAs did you go through before taking a payout? I didn't go through any. I took a payout on the very first one. I didn't go through anything like that. I think it was like, 6 XFA or so that got called up to live. My 6 XFA account that got called up to live. And it's still the same live account. I've only had one live account and I still have it. So I've had that live account for 8 months. 8 months. I was thinking of about 5K and withdrawing each week, second week, whatever I make, and leave a bit to grow the account. It's a good plan for sure. But if it's your very first payout, then take your payout. Like literally take your payout. What's the difference between a live account and an XFA? You get a risk manager with a live account and your orders are actually hitting the market. Your XFA, it does not. How much does a live account cost? You pay data fees, professional fees. I don't know. It's like $129, $139, $149, somewhere in that ballpark. I don't know. I don't really pay attention to that. Hey, Rips, what number are you on the leaderboard? 6,969. What are the chances NQ will retest? 20,500. Tough to tell from here with low liquidity. How much money do I need to buy and contract? $49. What happens if I don't trade my XFAs for 30 days? They should give you one warning, but they'll close it if you don't. Do they kill all your XFAs when going live? Depends. If you have an XFA that's not doing well, I mean, it all depends. It really all depends. Where can you look at the leaderboard? I believe it's at meetspin.org. I'm pretty sure. Almost positive. I don't know if it's up there anymore, but I'm not sure. Or goatc.cx, GOATSE.cx. I believe it could be there still. I'm not sure, though, if it's still posted there. It might be. I think Rips was number one for a while prior to them keeping track of the leaderboard. Yeah, that's been confirmed by Michael Patak multiple times. I was the number one live trader on all of TopStep for months or weeks, whatever it was. Number one. Can you take payouts from an XFA, or does it have to be a live account? You can take payouts from your XFA, yes. Meat spin is now shawarma. I'm not going to check. I don't believe you. I'm just not going to check. I left meat spin on for 15 minutes. Got to show dominance. Yeah, that's how you do it right there. We are pushing back up. One of the really awesome things that TopStep does is refund you for your combine fee once you take your first payout on your XFA. That is correct. Oh, look, we could do a poll. Here we go. Let's do a poll. Will the NQ finish the day? Well, finish the day above or below, let's say 20,000. We're right here right now. 20,650. Above, below. There we go. Go ahead and vote away in the poll. S&Ps are strong here. We missed a pullback trade. A payout bonus is going away at the end of the month. Correct. That is correct. Can I do a Bentley giveaway? Of course. Why not? I might actually, I'm thinking, speaking of Bentley, I might actually, I'm probably going to go and play the final World Series of Poker event today. It's called The Closer. I think today is the second and final day of that. Let me just double check here. Yeah, today's the final day. So I think I'm going to play that today after I'm done with TopStep TV. So that is The Closer. You know what's funny is that you can buy your entry with a credit card online, which is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Gonna get some cash back right there, get some points. How do I keep a straight face? Years of experience. Gonna stream it? No, I'm not gonna stream it, but I'll probably, I'll post updates on my Instagram story. Can you stream your poker rips? I want to learn. Yeah, everybody voted for me to stream online poker, so I'm gonna start doing that. I held a poll on Instagram and it was overwhelmingly positive. Is that the main event? No. Is it $10,000 entry? No, it's $1,500 entry. It's the closer, the final event. They call it the closer. I think last year, first place was $600,000. So we'll be jockeying for around $600K for first. Also, there is a bounty tournament at the Venetian that has multiple days of entry, which I might play. And then there's also another deep stack tournament at the Venetian Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which I might play as well. Rips, you make Dakota look like a newbie on the poker table. No, we barely played together. We were at separate tables for the majority of it. We did have one hand where we went all in against each other, but it was just, it's one hand. We haven't really, I'd love to play the guy heads up and see. I really can't comment on his poker skill. I'm assuming that he is quite talented. If he's anything like his trading, which he is the best trader at all of TopStep. When are you going to stream some video games? I don't even remember last time I played a video game. I used to love playing video games, but yeah. What's up, Dakota? I didn't see you. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Rips is number one. What's up? Give it up for Dakota. What is my Instagram handle? Same as it always is. It's that one, @SellingRips. Also, let me do this. Instagram. Whoops. Selling Rips. Go. This is the link to my Instagram. It's my only Instagram account. I promise you, if you follow that account, you're going to get spammed by a bunch of fake Selling Rips telling you that they have a trading bot and a super secret VIP program. Just give me your crypto. Hey, what's your email? Blah, 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 blah. It's not me. Never going to reach out to you. Sorry. Never going to friend request you. Sorry. Not me. Rips, you need to stream playing the new NCAA. I haven't played, like I said, I haven't played any video games in forever. Wait, so you could buy multiple entries? The guy who won last year had 3,500 entries? There's no way, dude. There's no way. That's $3.5 million worth of entries. There's no way. Absolutely no way. I thought we were friends. No, sorry. Just in here. Probably Discord friends. Rips will not friend you, will not message you, never going to give you up, never going to let you down, never going to run around, nor am I going to hurt you. Never going to send you... I had 117,000 people watching me on Siege in last week's comps. Nice. It makes you sad. If you DM me, I usually respond, but you got to make sure you're DMing the right person. Because if you're DMing a scammer, they're going to take you for a ride. But yeah, like I said, we have about 1,500 people watching. If you do all hit that like button right now, we're going to do a giveaway. Free TopStep Combine. 1,100 likes, we do it. Wait, so you're telling me the guy I've been sending $2,500 a week to isn't you? No. You're feeding somebody's family. Yeah, that's not me. I don't have any... it's crazy that people fall for this stuff. I just don't understand it. I've never understood how people still fall for this stuff, but I'm never going to message you. I don't have any other accounts than my Twitter account, my Instagram account. Both of them are the same handle. It's right there, @SellingRips. Now, what they're going to do is they're going to use like multiple I's, maybe 3 L's instead of 1 L. Ninja Trader's not frozen for me discount. We're still moving. Look at this untrustable price action here. But yeah, I still get DMs from people saying, hey, I was talking to this person. I just want to make sure this is you because I'm about to send you some money. And it's like, dude, seriously? You're kidding me, right? Like, how? Like, what? What? How did you get that far in the conversation? It's crazy town. That's crazy to me. That's so insane. I literally can't believe it. Sent Rips my Bitcoin. He's going to send back double. Yeah, exactly. I'm going to send back triple. It's going to be triple today. He's told to share my crypto wallet, and in return, I will receive a weekly packs of Celsius. See, it sounds like me, but it ain't me. 10 million back. Hopefully it was in rupees, not US dollars. How do you manage to have that glowing effect on you while live streaming? It's unique. I mean, lighting, I guess, the lights. What's the glowing effect? This shine? I have shiny skin. I don't know what to tell you. That? I don't know. There you go. It's a filter. I use a beauty filter when I stream. That's what it is. People who fall for that should not be able to vote in the elections. Yeah. Did you get the Walmart gift cards I sent you? Yep, I bought a car with that. If you want a free combine, get those likes up. We are 500 likes away, 469 giggity likes away. That happy glow, yeah. That happy glow. That was amazing. Oh, the blue glowing effect? Those are lights. Here, look. Those are lights. Those are lights behind me. I had J.J. Abrams design my set here. It's incredible. He did great work. You didn't know Walmart sold cars? They exclusively sell Ferraris and Bentleys. It's crazy. They just started doing that about a week ago. Should I open this right in my face? Shake it up a little bit. Oh, that's a good sound right there. That was a nice one. Cheers, everybody. Yum, yum, yum. What flavor do we have? We have raspberry acai. What's the poster behind me? Celsius. These are all original pieces of art. I have 3 pieces of art in my office here. The Celsius Strangler has arrived on stream or on scene. What's your choice of car you drive? I like the ones that I have now. Those are probably my favorites of all time. I like those a lot. Gone through a lot of cars in my day. How do the Instagram stories work? Go to my profile and click my face. There's a circle around my face. All you think about is the FedEx story. I was on a good one that day. Word on the streets is I'm the co-owner of Celsius. I'm just a silent partner. Not the co-owner, just a silent partner. That's it. What do you look for in an art piece, Rips? Do you favor any media or style acrylics, watercolors? Good question, actually. I like modern art myself. Pop art is cool. I like street art. I like sculptures like the ones that Jeff Koons does. That kind of stuff. Do you have a foot fetish? No. What in the world? Oh, yeah. Dude. Nope, I'm good on that one. If you seem like a healthy person, why not tea instead of Celsius? This is tea. This is green tea, baby. Look at this. I mean, it's backwards, but see that green part? It says green tea. Or it says Yata Nira. Green tea. I'm not into big sporty cars, but I do like Porsche. Porsche is great. Love Porsches. Big fan of Porsches. Definitely want to try out that new one that they came out with. It's like the hybrid tee. Looks cool. Are you squeeze bends? I don't know who that is or what that is. Word is someone found your only feet page. It's best to come clean. Is that a thing? Is that really a thing? Is there something out there called only feet? Please tell me that's real. That is ridiculous if that's real. Another word on the streets is you're worth 100 million. Nah, not 100 million. Certainly not. Looks like Head and Shoulders on the hourly chart. Wow. Yeah, I mean, it's definitely getting somewhere. Is there really something called only feet? I mean, I'm asking the crazy questions now. Folks have been asking all the weird ones this morning. I'm asking the crazy ones now. Rips and Andre have an OnlyFans page. They're representing TopStep. Boy, if somebody has an OnlyFans page presenting me, that's crazy. Feet Finder. Wait, seriously? Feet Finder. That's even better. Feet Finder. Is that for real? Is there really Feet Finder? That's amazing. Oh, if you're just making that up, that's the best. That's the best one of the day. Feet Finder. Oh, good Lord. Oh, is that real? Is that actually real? Oh my God. What is wrong with people? Oh my God. Oh man. That's real. Oh my God. Instead of grinder, it's called footsie. No, I'm good on checking that one. I'm gonna stick to meat spin. Oh, I hope that site is still around. That was a good one. Oh, man. Dude, no. All right, they're just taking a left turn in a ridiculous land over here. Guys pay loads of money for feet pics. A friend of mine made $40K for a few pics. What? Jeez, I got to stop streaming. I have some nasty feet. I mean, not really, but I'm not a feet person. I think feet are gross. I think feet are really, really gross, except for my wife's feet. Okay, this is going off the rails here. This is all right. Change the subject here. Let's pack it in. All right, pack it in. This is like, this is going way off the rails here. We do trade here sometimes, I swear. What's up, Dolby Time? How you doing, buddy? Lock it up. Lock it in. Feet cam? Yeah, I'm going to get another webcam and put it right on my feet. Oh, my God. What in the world? TopStep started the feet pics, really? Yeah, we do trade here sometimes. We are pushing up a little bit. Looking forward to bringing this conversation to TopStep TV. Boy, I hope not. Good Lord. I don't trade barefoot. I'm in socks right now. I'm not going to show them, oh, you creeps. God, I was just about to hold up my foot. I'm like, no, this is going to be way too creepy. I'm not doing that. I was literally about to hold up my foot. I see what you're doing. You're trying to bait me. Oh, how did we even get here? It's Tuesday. It's not even Friday. Dakota started yesterday. Oh, boy. Had the screenshot ready. Yes, I am using NinjaTrader. That's what I trade off of. I'm going to use TopStep X soon enough, but I'm currently trading on NinjaTrader. That's how you end up on WikiFeed. Oh my God. I am trading without pants on though, so I can't stand up. Just a shirt. That's all I trade with. Just a shirt. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. All right. I'm kidding. Oh, Lord. All right. Markets. Trading. Trading between 620 and 640 right now. 20 handle range. A beard. Only beards. There you go. My wife just asked me what I was watching. I'm trying to convince her it's trading. I swear it's a trading channel. I promise. Yeah, good old only beards. I think TopStep would sponsor. Oh, God. All right. Well, we are close to going over to TopStep TV, but I mean, shoot. I mean, we lost about 200 people with the feet discussion, which I don't blame them. I probably would have left too. A bunch of creeps are left. I'm kidding. No, so if we get those likes up to, let's drop it down. If we get it up to 1,000 likes, I'll give away a free TopStep Combine for sitting through this nonsense. Whoever started talking about this crap. You ruined it. You ruined it for everybody. Yeah, I'm trying to turn things around. I want to give away some combines, but let's try to do it. 1,000 likes, we'll give one away. Yeah, when we do the rips raid, just don't talk about feet, whatever you do, please. Your screen smells funny. Yeah, please do not carry this over TopStep TV. This is what happens when the market's slow. We just go off the rails. I mean, I don't blame you guys and gals. I really don't. I might have had a hand in things when I started talking about the old meat spin site. Hopefully it's not still around. That's a good one to prank your friends with back in the day. Okay. The global economic output, global GDP growth forecast from 3.2 to 3.3. That's not good for inflation, but hey, we got it. Rips, are you still doing sports picks? Yes. Doing the old Rips picks. Dude, get out of here. Yes. Right now, we're doing really well. Just picking sports. Been on a tear lately. Let's see. See if I can bring this up here. So if we pull up, let's see. Come on, load up. Let's go. All right, so check this out. If we pull up the best ones right here, this is the Cappers leaderboard. This is their win-loss percentage right here. Win percentage, win-loss, right? 55, 56, 53, 52, 53, 53. These are the best ones in the world, right? Best ones in the world. Now here's your boy Ripsy Hustle over here. Bring this in. It's your boy Ripsy Hustle right here. Look at that. 61, 63, 60, 60. 239 picks, 125 winners, 81 losers. We're hot. We're hot. That's for... Yeah, I'll refresh it too, in case there's some doubters out there. There you go. 125 winners, 81 losers. There you go. We're on a tear right now. We are on a tear. So that's what we've been doing in sports lately. Got some tennis picks out there today. See if we can keep the party bus rolling. Got Wawrinka. I don't know if that's settled already. Let's see. He is playing today in 3 hours, 30 minutes. So I have Wawrinka, the money line on Wawrinka. I love him. Stanislas Wawrinka. Where can we follow you on the picks? Right now, I've just posted them in the free area of the Discord. Just been posting them in the off-topic lounge for now. That's it. That's really where they've been going. Gonna have posting some Rips picks, getting that all going soon enough. But that's where they've been for the time being. What else do I have that's not live? I think I had a big one. Let me see. I have a larger bet on somebody. Let's see. I laid it this morning, so I'm looking for it. It might have been a live line already, though. Yeah, I think it was a live line. Let me see who that was on. Oh, yeah, live line. Oh, no, wait, hold on. Is that... Did that not settle? Hold on, let me see. Maybe there's... Let's see. I don't know why that didn't settle. Oh, I see. It's still in progress. There we go. That's why. Okay. But I have Taro Daniel to win. Let's see what the score is. Taro Daniel. Canceled? Hold on. No. Oh, no. Here it is. It's live. Oh, shoot. He's going to win this set. Oh, good. He's going to. Okay. Close one. He won the first set, lost the second set, and now they're on the third, and he's winning 4-3. It's Gadov to serve. So I have that one right now. That's I got Taro Daniel money line on that one. So if you want to play the live line on that. There you go. All right. Baseball picks based on the options chain. Same. It's the same calculation. All right. Did we get there? I'm going to check right now. What are we at? We are at 786 likes. Is that for real? Come on. Did you hear MP talking about working with a betting prop firm? No, I have not. Am I on with Dakota today for the opening? I am. That's where I'm going to run off to after we finish up here. You should do a video on how you pick your winners. Yeah, might do that in the future here. Up 4K across 4 combines, might lock them up. Amen. There you go. Hey, Rips, doesn't the payouts in sports betting similar to roulette or poor risk reward in trading? If you're only betting on favorites, I mean, you're paying the juice, you're paying the vig, but you're looking for edge. You're looking for the lines to kind of move and give you some edge. So if you're always betting the favorite, you're going to be paying the juice, the vig. Any recommendations on who to watch tutorials on getting better? I understand support and resistance and a little bit of price action, but I feel I need to learn chart patterns and more. I have some good videos here on YouTube you could watch. Go back and watch all of my live stream archive and then also watch some of the videos I posted. Also some of the shorts. There's some good content in here, I promise. Dow new highs. Let's see. Let's go check it out. We are 172 likes away, by the way. Woo! Look at that. Dow is hot. Hot stuff. Yeah, like I said, there's definitely a sector rotation going on right now. Dow would have been a fun one to trade. Never heard of anyone betting on tennis? Really? Wow. I love betting on tennis. My two best sports for capping are tennis, baseball. I am horrible at capping on NFL. Horrible. Dog food. We are 163 likes away. 163 likes away. We'll get a free combine, but we have 5 minutes to get there. So if you folks want it, 5 minutes, smash it up. But yeah, tennis. I love betting on tennis. Women's tennis. Very good sport to be betting on. A lot of different little nuggets you can use to your favor. NASDAQ is showing a downward bias today. We'll wait and see what it does. There you go. Going to be on the YM in the next few weeks. Nice, Miss J. I think that's a good idea. Yeah, there's definitely a cycle of rotational trading going on right now. I think that most people are rotating into value. I think larger funds are rotating out of tech into value, and we're going to see that more and more. I think we'll let the price action tell us what's up. I don't gamble, but I do always win NCAA football work tournaments since your boy played and loves call. Hey, there you go. Nice. Do I always trade the open? No. If I see an opportunity and I think that I can read the price action well, sure. But not always. So today we'll see if there's any opportunities to trade off the open, see if they have any mispricing or balancing issues that we can take advantage of. Sonny says, it's been a long time since I tuned in. Hope all is well. Why haven't you been tuning in, Sonny? Come on down. Gold's at an important level, probably at an MC level, I would guess. Let me go look at my levels chart over here. Oh, yeah, look at that. We rejected right off of our MC level to the top side there. How about that, huh? Do we have a level above that? Oh, yeah, we got multiple levels above that. Gold's been playing nicely with the MC levels. How about that? Yeah, VRVP right here. There you go. Here, since you're in Discord, I'll just copy and paste it for you. Whoops. Here we go. There we go. Discord feed is very distorted. Can somebody help, one of the mods help out Angelo? Getting that fixed. You're going to have the highest quality feed on Discord. There you go. Yeah, if one of the mods could please help out Angelo. Getting that fixed for him. Do you look at other things besides Bookmap? Yep, TradingView, time and sales. You ever play craps? I played this past weekend. Played low limit craps. Had some friends in town. Played at a $25 table, was up $1,500, and then we had a wet blanket come to the table and start talking about, hey, you don't want to roll a 7 here, right? No, you don't, you dingus. And then I started losing. I ended up walking away like break even, down $100, $150, something like that. Missed my trade on gold. I'm sure it will bounce back up. It's disappointing we can't put alerts on TopStep X. You might be able to. Can you not put alerts on TopStep X right now? Yeah, one of the mods, please. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mods here ready to help you out here, Angelo. Passed my first combine yesterday. Will I get my notification tonight? You can just go in and click activate Express Funded account. That's all you need to do. If you pass it yesterday, like actual yesterday, not like yesterday's Globex, which is actually today's trade. There you go. Yeah, I'm sure they'll add alerts soon enough. They will. Not to worry. Alrighty, folks. Did we get there? Last check before we go. We are at... No, we did not get there. All right, folks. Well, we had some fun today talking about some nonsense. Also traded. We're up $1,495 trading on the NQ today. I hope you'll join me over on TopStep TV. Please do. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let me drop the link for TopStep TV for you folks. Here it is. Hold on. Wasn't ready for it. TopStep TV. Here's the link. Go ahead and rips raid over there. I'll see you folks over there. Be trading alongside my number one trading buddy, Coach Dakota. So be safe today, folks, and I'll catch you bright and early tomorrow here on my YouTube channel at 8 a.m. sharp. And I hope to see you then. Stay safe out there, folks, and have a fantastic trading day today. Take care.